guys. Rice, butter, onion and garlic, carrot and leek, an egg, salt and soy sauce. Okay, let's get started. First, slice the onion, garlic, carrot, and leek. Turn on the stove. Put the butter to the pan. Then the onion and garlic. Stir for a while. Put the egg. Add the bit of salt. Stir until the egg is cooked. Put the carrot. Pour the soy sauce. Put the rice and leek. Stir well. Give the rice a taste. Yummy! The food is ready, guys. Dish it up with a slice of cucumber and chips. That's it, guys. Wow! That is for today, guys. See you next time. Hiroshi out.
Udah mati, Mang?
Ini tuh ada susu, kenapa? Dah, putar-putar.
Ulang deh.
Si Poppy malah dimati.
Tangannya, kabur, jangan kabur langsung.